In this lesson, we're going to color the photo. To start coloring this photo, let's go to the image mode to see what image mode we have. Right now it's grayscale. What we want to do is we want to color this in RGB color. We're not looking to print this, so I'm going to be using RGB color. If you are planning on printing this, you would use CMYK color. All right, I'm going to click on RGB color now. When I do this, it asks me if I want to flatten or don't flatten. I'm going to click on don't flatten and press Command S to save. Let's make a new layer and name this whatever color you want to color the photo. First color I'm going to use is brown. I'm going to get a hard round brush and start coloring brown where his jacket is. And you're not going to see the photo underneath because I'm painting on a layer that's over the photo. Let's drag that layer underneath the retouched photo layer and then click on the retouched photo layer and then click on the drop down menu where it says normal. Let's click on the color blend mode, multiply. Now it's looking really dark, isn't it? That's because this photo down here at the bottom is still turned on. Turn that layer off. That's much better. Click on the brown layer and you can get in real close and you can paint in the rest of that color that you're adding to the photo. Take your time and you can use a brush or you can use a lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool. It's up to you how you color this in. You can also save this photo in the Creative Cloud by doing a file, save as, save to cloud documents. So you can open this PSD in Photoshop on your tablet and then use your stylus to color it in. This lesson will continue in the next video.